2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, Sirius Satellite Radio, remote keyless entry, tachometer, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.